Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip to Riviera Maya and looking for a luxury, all-inclusive, adults-only resort, JOIA Paraiso might just be the paradise you're dreaming of. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this stunning spot. From the rooms and restaurants to the beach, food, drinks, and even some info on the family-friendly resorts on the same property. So sit back, relax, and let's take a virtual vacation. Alright, first things first, JOIA Paraiso is nestled in the stunning Riviera Maya, Mexico, just about 30 minutes from Cancun International Airport. That means you can skip the long drive and dive straight into vacation mode. The resort is surrounded by lush greenery, teeming with incredible wildlife, from playful monkeys and curious coatis to vibrant flamingos and so much more. And of course, there's the breathtaking stretch of white sandy beach, making it the ultimate tropical paradise. The rooms here? Absolutely stunning. Whether you book a junior suite, swim out suite, or an oceanfront suite, you're in for a treat. Expect modern decor, comfy beds, big balconies or patios, and some rooms even come with a private pool. The vibe is super sleek and elegant, with lots of natural tones and luxurious finishes. Plus, every room comes stocked with a minibar that gets restocked daily, because who doesn't love unlimited drinks in their room, right? Now let's talk about food, because let's be honest, that's one of the best parts of an all-inclusive stay. JOIA Paraiso has a mix of buffets and a la carte restaurants, serving everything from authentic Mexican cuisine to gourmet Italian, fresh seafood, and even Asian fusion. There's also 24-hour room service. So if you're feeling lazy or just want a private meal on your balcony, they've got you covered. Oh, and breakfast? You can grab a quick bite at the coffee shop or enjoy a full-on spread at the buffet. And let's not forget about the drinks. There are multiple bars throughout the resort, including a swim-up bar and a cozy lobby bar for evening cocktails. They serve premium liquors, and the bartenders really know how to mix up a mean margarita. Whether you're into frozen cocktails, tequilas, or just a cold beer by the beach, you won't be disappointed. For a unique experience, take a short walk over to the neighboring resort and check out their incredible snake bar, a stunning bar designed to look like a massive serpent. Let's talk about the beach. This place has crystal clear water, perfect for laying out in the sun, taking a dip, or trying some of the included water activities like kayaking or paddleboarding.
This has been the prettiest beach that we've seen between Jamaica, Dominican, and here, for sure. It has a little bit of rockiness to it, but other than that, it's beautiful.
So water shoes might be a good idea if you plan on walking along the shoreline.
Now, the JOIA, the Grand in front of it, it's beautiful, but you walk down in front of the other resorts, there's some seaweed.
If pools are more your thing, JOIA Paraiso has a mix of quiet relaxation pools and livelier ones with DJs and entertainment. We especially loved the infinity pool, where you can stand at the edge and take in the breathtaking beach views. It's the best of both worlds. When you're not eating, drinking, or soaking up the sun, there's plenty to do at the resort. There's a full-service spa offering massages and facials if you're in need of some extra pampering. For fitness lovers, there's a gym, yoga classes, and even beach workouts to keep you active. If you're hanging out by the pool, the entertainment crew makes sure there's never a dull moment. They go around each day hosting fun games and activities like pool volleyball, water polo, and other interactive challenges to keep guests entertained. And at night, the fun continues with live entertainment. Think music, dance performances, and themed parties to keep the energy going long after the sun sets. Now, if you love to golf, you're in luck. JOIA Paraiso has its own beautiful, professionally designed golf course right on the same property. That means you're just a quick few-minute shuttle ride away from teeing off in paradise. This course is perfect for players of all levels, with lush greens, scenic fairways, and even some challenging water hazards to keep things interesting. They offer club rentals, golf carts, and even private lessons if you're looking to improve your game. Now, if you're traveling with family or have friends bringing kids, the great thing is that JOIA Paraiso is part of a larger resort complex. That means while this spot is adults only, you also have access to their family-friendly sister resorts. These resorts have kid-friendly pools, splash parks, wave pool, supervised kids clubs, and even teen lounges, so there's plenty to keep little ones entertained. Plus, adults can still visit those properties for extra dining options and activities. So, is JOIA Paraiso worth it? If you're looking for a luxurious, adults-only escape with amazing food, gorgeous beach views, and top-notch service, then absolutely. Whether you're coming for a honeymoon, anniversary, or just a well-deserved getaway, this resort has everything you need for a relaxing and fun-filled vacation. If you've stayed here before, let me know in the comments what you thought. And if you're planning a trip and have questions, drop them below. I'd love to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more travel videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Like and subscribe.